Meanwhile, local county leaders are responding to a spike in Dane County, expressing concern that these numbers have been slowly growing since classes began at UW-Madison. Nearly 700 students have tested positive since UW began on-campus testing exactly 1 month ago. Our Gabriela Becerra shares why they're reminding students to follow the guidelines.
Amanda, county leaders are reminding students that the impact of these high numbers reaches far beyond campus and into the greater Madison area. And they say ignorance to these guidelines could be detrimental to the entire community.
This spike in positive cases doesn't come as a surprise to local health experts, but it did serve as a reminder to students. Of the 147 cases that public health is reporting, 115 students and 1 employee tested positive yesterday, according to UW-Madison's dashboard. Director of Public Health Madison and Dane County says, quote, "It is important that we all take action so case counts this high don't become a trend."
We're looking at a one-day record, but what we've been seeing is an upward trend. And when we look at the fact that, at least half of the folks have UW ties, either students or staff, that's concerning.
Despite existing in the center of Madison, Dane County doesn't have the authority to tell the university what to do.
I don't know what their metrics are for when they would shut down. They have not shared those with us. I hope they do take a serious look, and I know they are concerned.
But Dane County Executive Joe Parisi says they do have the power to control how many people are in downtown bars and restaurants.
I think most of the young people on campus are very aware of the dangers and the risks and are doing their best. But there are people, just like there are people outside of the university community, who don't always adhere to the guidelines.
And as the weather gets colder, Parisi's asking people to continue taking the virus seriously.
Particularly as we head into the fall and winter, where we're very concerned about the numbers that we could see increasing, putting a lot more people at risk.
A UW spokesperson says that if the level of infection reaches a possibility of a public health threat, the university will take steps to close parts of campus and move instruction online. UW administration, which is monitoring all of the situations on campuses, would need to be a part of that decision.
Thank you so much, Gabby.